What if I told you that there's a mixture made from just two simple ingredients, possibly sitting right there in your kitchen, that could help improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and naturally restore sexual reflexes for men over 60? You'd probably be surprised, because for so many years, most issues related to male sexual health, like reduced desire, loss of sensation, or difficulty getting an erection, have been labeled as just a natural part of aging. But the truth is completely different. According to a report published in Urology Times, over 70% of men over the age of 60 experience problems with localized blood circulation, a silent cause behind a gradually less responsive and less sensitive companion. However, don't worry just yet. Today, Dr. William Harris will share with you how to combine castor oil with a bit of baking soda to create a topical massage mixture that helps stimulate microcirculation, soften hardened tissue, improve natural sensation safely without medications and without invasive methods. And especially, don't miss the beginning of this video, because I'm going to reveal the root cause behind poor blood flow to the critical area after age 60. It's a silent truth that most men overlook, even though it's precisely what causes their strength and confidence to decline day by day. Before we dive into the main content, let me first get to know you. Where are you watching this video from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd be truly happy to know who I'm walking alongside on this journey to better health. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another helpful video that supports your health and vitality after 60. So what are we waiting for? Let's explore exactly why unlocking local blood flow, especially in the intimate area, is the very first step to reactivating natural reflexes that your body may have silently lost over the years. Part 1. Why maintaining local circulation after 60 is absolutely essential. Once men step past the age of 60, many begin to notice subtle signs: less sensitivity, slower response time, and at times things simply don't work as expected. Most assume this is just an inevitable consequence of aging, something no one can change. But in reality, these signs aren't just caused by a drop in hormones. The deeper reason lies in something much quieter: a gradual decline in microcirculation to the genital area, leaving tissues starved of oxygen, less elastic, and slower to respond. Back in our 20s, the body functioned like a fine-tuned machine. Testosterone levels were stable, nitric oxide was produced consistently, and nerves and blood vessels were flexible and active. With just a light stimulus, blood would quickly surge into the erectile chambers, triggering a strong response. But after 60 years of wear and tear, and that system starts to wear down, blood vessel walls begin to thicken, capillaries harden, and the amount of blood reaching sensitive areas drops. At the same time, chronic inflammation in the soft tissue weakens nerve signals, making sensation dull or even absent. That's why if you only rely on pills or supplements without targeting the right area, the place where blood needs to flow, the results won't last. And this is exactly why localized massage therapy, when done correctly and at the right time, can lead to remarkable improvements. It stimulates peripheral circulation, softens rigid tissue, and most importantly, reawakens the dormant sensory reflexes your body still holds. So, where does this simple blend of castor oil and baking soda fit into this chain of dysfunction? We'll uncover that powerful mechanism right in the next part. My friend, if you're still watching at this point, I'm truly glad that you care about your health. Leave the number 1 in the comments below to let me know you're still here with me. Part 2. Castor oil and baking soda, a duo that supports circulation and natural sexual reflexes. After realizing that poor circulation and decreased sensation are two critical links contributing to the decline in male sexual health with age, many men begin to wonder, is there a solution that's both safe and strong enough to directly target these two issues? This is where castor oil and baking soda step into the picture. A seemingly simple pair of ingredients that surprisingly possess powerful biological properties beneficial for the male body after the age of 60. Castor oil has long been known as a natural plant-based oil with deep penetrating qualities. It contains ricinoleic acid, a natural fatty acid with anti-inflammatory properties that helps soften hardened tissues and stimulate local blood flow, especially when applied to areas rich in capillaries or sensory nerves. This oil may help regenerate healthy tissue environments, creating a pathway for blood to flow more easily to where it's needed. In addition, castor oil helps to mildly dilate blood vessels and regulate peripheral nerve activity, improving sensitivity and physical response, which is something many men overlook but is actually crucial for sexual function. And what about baking soda? This ingredient may seem like just a kitchen staple, but biologically it has the ability to neutralize tissue acidity, helping to reduce microinflammation, one of the silent culprits that restrict healthy blood circulation. At the same time, baking soda supports tissue oxygenation by creating a more favorable biochemical environment for cellular repair. When combined, these two ingredients form a multi-layered remedy that can reduce inflammation, soften fibrotic tissues, enhance microcirculation, and support nerve response in targeted areas. That's why many practitioners in natural medicine consider this a highly promising method, especially for men over 60 who need a gentle yet truly effective approach to recovery. Of course, to fully benefit from this blend, you'll need to know how to mix it in the correct ratio and apply it using the right technique. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you next. A simple routine you can do at home in under 10 minutes each time. Part 3. How to mix and apply the right way. A simple massage method to activate blood flow. Now that we've explored why this mixture delivers such a positive impact on male sexual health, the next and equally important step is knowing how to mix it properly and use it correctly. Even a small mistake in ratio or technique can reduce its effectiveness, and in those with sensitive skin, may even cause mild irritation. First, prepare the following ingredients. 1 teaspoon of pure baking soda. Choose a type with no added fragrances or coloring. 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil. Ensure it's pure and unrefined. Popular. 1-2 drops of ginger or peppermint essential oil to add a warming sensation and enhance circulation. How to mix it. Place the baking soda into a small bowl. Add the castor oil and stir thoroughly until the mixture becomes thick and well blended. If using essential oil, add it at the end and stir gently. Before applying, you can gently warm the bowl by placing it in a cup of hot water for a few minutes. Never heat it directly on the stove. How to apply. First, cleanse the targeted area, usually the inner thigh, groin, and base of the penis. Then, pat it dry. Apply a thin layer of the mixture to the skin. Using your fingertips, gently massage in small circular motions, focusing on areas with soft tissue and sensory nerves. The ideal massage time is 5 to 7 minutes, preferably done in the evening before bedtime to support relaxation and absorption. Aim to follow this routine 3 to 4 times per week. Don't rush if you don't see immediate results after just a few days. Remember, sexual reflexes need time to wake up, especially after years of impaired circulation and silent inflammation. That said, massage alone isn't enough. There are some foundational principles that, if ignored, could cause your progress to plateau or even disappear altogether over time. And that's exactly what I'll be sharing with you next. If you're still watching at this point, thank you for sticking with me all the way here. I truly appreciate it. Please leave the number 3 in the comments to let me know I'm not speaking to myself. Part 4, 3 fundamental principles to sustain long-term sexual health recovery. Seeing the body begin to show signs of improvement after just a few days of using the massage mixture is certainly an encouraging signal. However, based on my real-world clinical experience, what matters even more is not how quickly the improvements appear, but how to maintain them in a stable and lasting way. In reality, many men, once they notice things are starting to respond well again and begin to let their guard down, they assume that just a few days of using the mixture is enough, forgetting that after 60 years of bodily wear, the system has already accumulated many silent changes from stiffened blood vessels, weakened nerve response, to declining hormone levels. That's why, to ensure the results don't just shine briefly and then fade away, you need to follow these 3 key principles. Principle 1. Don't use it continuously for a whole month without breaks. Even though this mixture is gentle and natural, your body still needs time to adapt and breathe. After 7 to 10 days of consistent use, take a 2 to 3 day break to avoid overstimulation or microirritation in sensitive skin areas. Principle 2. Combine proper nutrition and rest to support hormone production. Massage only works from the outside. Internally, your body still needs the raw materials to restore its hormone balance. Specifically, good cholesterol, vitamin D, and omega-3s from foods like free-range eggs, fatty fish, or flaxseed oil. Also, make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night, as this is when testosterone is most actively regenerated. Principle 3. Be consistent. Don't quit halfway through. Many start with high expectations, but if they don't see a clear difference after 1 week, they give up. Remember, for a body that has endured years of poor circulation and dulled nerve signaling, true recovery takes time, consistency, and commitment. There are no shortcuts. Following these three principles will not only help the castor oil, baking soda mixture perform at its best, but also lay the groundwork for a strong and sustainable sexual health foundation from within, something every man over 60 truly needs. That said, if you're looking to go further beyond just massage and moderation, and want to fully restore your energy, sensitivity, and confidence, then there's one more simple but powerful element: choosing the right foods to support testosterone production from the inside. And that's exactly what I'll reveal in the next part. Part 5. Boosting recovery effectiveness through testosterone-supporting foods. Many men over 60 often assume there are only two ways to improve sexual function: take medications or spend money on expensive supplements. But in reality, some of the most effective, safe, and sustainable sources of hormonal support come from simple everyday foods, especially when paired with the topical massage method we discussed earlier. One of the easiest and most potent foods in this regard is the boiled egg, particularly free-range eggs. They are a natural source of healthy cholesterol, which many people misunderstand, but it's actually the building block your body uses to produce testosterone naturally. Even better, egg yolks contain a significant amount of vitamin D and choline, which support liver function and enhance neural transmission, leading to improved sexual reflexes and emotional responsiveness during intimacy. For men without cardiovascular disease or serious lipid disorders, consuming 1 to 2 boiled eggs each morning, alongside greens and a touch of extra virgin olive oil, can supply the foundational materials your body needs to restart hormone synthesis efficiently. In addition, fatty fish like salmon or sardines, and testosterone-friendly foods rich in zinc and selenium, such as pumpkin seeds, oysters, and lean red meat, should be prioritized in your weekly meal plan, at least 3 to 4 times per week. This well-rounded combination of external massage and internal nutritional support forms a kind of dual-action recovery, not only enhancing reflexes, but also sustaining long-term sexual strength in a natural, balanced way. And if you truly want to close this recovery process with a biological rhythm that's both natural and deeply effective, then pay close attention to what happens at night, because the evening hours may just be the missing key that most men overlook. In the next part, I'll explain why the time window between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. is known as the golden hour for natural testosterone regeneration. Part 6, evening is the golden time for the body to recover and naturally regenerate testosterone. Many men, after the age of 60, have started paying more attention to nutrition to support their sexual health. But what not everyone realizes is this: the time you eat, the state of your body at that moment, and how you prepare before bed all play a crucial role in determining whether your body can properly absorb and process those nutrients. Based on clinical observations, I found that the time window between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. is the ideal biological period for the body to enter its rest and hormone regeneration cycle. This is when the sympathetic nervous system slows down, shifting into a more relaxed state, creating the perfect conditions for the pituitary and adrenal glands to naturally trigger testosterone production. If during this time you maintain gentle habits such as taking a warm bath, drinking a small cup of herbal tea, or even performing a light massage using the castor oil and baking soda mixture I shared in the previous section, the recovery effect will be greatly enhanced. Your body won't be overstimulated. Instead, it'll be gently guided into a calm state where cellular repair and hormone rebuilding can occur at full capacity. In addition, avoiding electronics after 9 p.m., limiting blue light exposure, and not eating too late are also important factors that help your body remember its natural circadian rhythm, something that gradually gets disrupted with age. All of these things may seem small, but if repeated consistently each night, they can help strengthen the male hormonal axis, leading to improvements in desire, reflexes, and post-fatigue recovery capacity. My dear friend, we've just gone through a simple yet powerful solution. From understanding the root cause behind sexual decline after age 60, to learning how to create and apply a castor oil and baking soda mixture that supports blood circulation, tissue softness, and natural reflex restoration. Let me emphasize this: age is not the end of a man's strength. On the contrary, if you know how to care for your body in the right and consistent way, then recovery is absolutely possible, and it may even be more sustainable than you ever imagined. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button so you can continue walking this journey with me. Dr. William Harris, as we work to elevate the health and vitality of men over 60. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the new content I'll be bringing to you each week. Wishing you strength, optimism, and the power to stay true to yourself at any age. I'll see you in the next video.